Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to add project in Clockify. All right. First up, go ahead and go to Manage right here at the left panel. Click on Projects and go ahead and click on Create New Project at the top right. Just click on it. Now enter a project name. For example, create a YouTube video like that and just select the color. For example, red. All right. And hit on Create. If you want to select a client, go ahead and click on the drop down and select the client and template right here. Just click on Create. It says here this project has been created. Here you go. You can go ahead and click this 3 dots. You want to save it as a template or an archive. I'm going to click on this project right here. As you can see, we have the settings in here, notes, forecast, status, access, and the task itself. All right. For example, I'm going to add in a task, create 50 videos like that. Hit on add. Assignees would be anyone. Okay. If you want to mark it as done, just click on 3 dots and click on mark as done. Okay. Mark as active. Now, the second one is just go ahead over to the time tracker right here at the top left. Click on it. Now, where it says, what are you working for? For example, making a template. All right. Just go ahead and click on plus project right here. Click on it. And here, if you want to, you can go ahead and use the ones that we have created, or you can go ahead and click on create new project. Okay. That will be tied to this task. For example, Clockify tutorial like that, and just hit on create. Now you can go ahead and hit on start. As you can see here, you're browsing through your browser. Okay. As you can see, the time right here is working. Okay. Now when you go back and hit on stop, as you can see here you have your completed projects. All right. You can go ahead and click on 3 dots right here and hit on duplicate or delete. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.